going to conduct the activity of what is this activity? So for this we need test tube, calcium hydroxide, phenolphthalein indicator and hydrochloric acid. First we have to take some calcium hydroxide into a test tube. First we have to take calcium hydroxide into the test tube. Then add few drops of phenolphthalein indicator. It will be turned into
pink color.
So next we have to add hydrochloric acid. Then what will happen? The pink color will be disappeared. So let us wait and see. See, the magic will be happened here. So this process will be called as a
Neutralization.
So after adding hydrochloric solution to this one, the pink color will be disappeared because this solution has a neutralized solution. Here acid neutralize the base. So that's why the pink color will be disappeared and water and salt will be formed in this process.